Well, welcome aboard this edition of Wild Goose Adventures. Stay tuned as we go wing rolling with Regi. So this wing foiling journey is a pretty interesting one. I've often said it's been the most difficult thing that I've ever done. The most challenging, more falls than you would ever imagine. I don't show them to you because I figure they're pretty boring. But I am keen to bring you along on this journey of mine for wing foiling. I've asked Regi, she came out with me a little while ago and had a go on the board. And so she was pretty keen, pretty addicted. She is doing a lot of skateboarding and could see this as a really fun way of getting around rather than getting her dog to tow her. We're using a 4-metre sail, a 4-metre Nash sail, courtesy of Ocean Addicts. And we don't need a big sail for this, we just need enough to get going. And the bigger it is, the more likely it is that it's going to rub on the ground and do some damage. So a 4-metre seems the perfect size. I invited Regi down and she was more than happy to come along. We had a few giggles. We got along at the start to just give some of the basics of the rundown, and then this is what happened.
Just live above the trees. We can be who we wanna be. That's the way it's supposed to be. Feeling light and flying free. Dreamers live above the trees. We can be who we wanna be. That's the way it's supposed to be. Feeling light and flying free. Take my hand and come with me.
Well, that was so much fun. I don't know if you could hear in the background, but Regi was laughing her head off. She was having a great time. Here am I harassing her about how to improve technically, and she just said, I'm having a great time. I don't need to, I'm just having fun. And that is the key to it. Having fun is the best thing you can do. She will pick it up, she will learn, she will go on from here. I'm secretly hoping she might have a go with the foil next, but regardless, having that fun with the wing, just skating around the netball courts, Wingding Park, is just so much fun. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you've enjoyed Regi's little experience. If you did, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment. It would be fantastic if you would. And until next time, smooth sailing.